Hello and welcome to Ecom Premium Shopify stock information update for 3rd June 2022. Okay, for today's stock information, NYSE shop is at 398.87 with 10% change, and TSX shop is at $501.14 with 0.9.5% change, right? So here you can see that the price for NYSE shop is 398.87 at the moment, and the volume is 4005949 with percentage change 10.33, right? And for TSX it's 501.14 with percentage change is 9.58. So have a look at stock chart. So here you can see for NYSE shop, you can see that in the 3 months it was high at like 780, and right now it's at 398.87. and if you look at 6 months chart, you can see that it's continuously decreasing from 1522. Right now it's at its very lowest position, that is 361. So here is the best chance to get it invested in NYSE shop. And for TSX shop, you can see for 6 months it's again like it was 1922 6 months ago, and now it's at 457. So here is also a good opportunity for this TSX shop at the moment. And for here you can see that for stock quote historical, you can see that for June 2, 2022, you can see here all the information we mentioned. And for investment calculator, you can see that if we have invested from January 1, 2007 to June 3rd, 2022, you can see that for 10k dollar invested in shop, results in for NYSE is like this. So let me zoom it in. So here you can see that we have 10k invested chart is like with profit for total return is 2246.29%. like if you are investing 10k and in just 7 years you are getting like from 2015 to 22, you are getting this thing in return like 234645 after invested 10k in NYSE shop. And if you had invested TSX shop in the TSX shop for 7 years, then you can see the chart for NSX shop is like you will get this amount. So the potential to getting invest is basically higher in NYSE shop rather than NSX shop. Here you can see the figures are a little bit lower than NYSE. So this was the today's Shopify stock update. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.